Product line: AMD Ryzen 7 desktop processors. Former codename: Summit Ridge. Number of CPU cores: 8. Number of threads: 16. Max boost clock: up to 3.7 GHz. Base clock: 3.0 GHz. 1 lira cache: 768 KB. 2 lira cache: 4 MB. 3 lira cache: 16 MB. Default TDP: 65W. Processor technology for CPU cores: 14 nm. Unlocked for overclocking: yes. CPU socket: AM4. Thermal solution PID. RateSpire LED. Thermal solution MPK. RateSpire Max. Operating temperature Max 95 degrees centigrade. Launch date 3/2/2017. OS support: Windows 10 64-bit edition, RHEL x86 64-bit, Ubuntu x86 64-bit. Operating system: OS support will vary by manufacturer. Connectivity: PCI Express version, PCI 3.0 x16. System memory type: DDR4. Memory channels: 2. System memory specification: up to 2667 MHz. Graphics capabilities: integrated graphics, no. Graphics model: discrete graphics card required. Supported technologies: AMD GuardMe technology, AMD Sensemi technology, AMD Zen Core architecture, AMD Ryzen master utility. Virtualization: Enmetis Fuse drive for AMD Ryzen -1.2 AS, AVX, FMA3.